tossed by storm or calm and still, we submit to water's will. Lift the anchor and untie, O charter of the sea, bring limitless mystery to our compass-bound life. Brave sailor, heed the buoy bell, heaving over holy ocean's swell. The passage follows unseen force. A prayer commits us to a course. Learning possession of the soul, pilot on the sea, guide us into owning. Captain of life, breathe into our drowning, releasing the singular goal. Sinking down or floating still, we submit to water's will.